Hello, welcome to this course on how to make your website without coding. My name is Mohammed Rashwan. I'm 29 years old. I've been working online since 2011. In my journey of online work, I actually have made hundreds of websites that could help me in doing my online work that I'm needing and the type of business actually I've been involved in. And I found the problem that when I was trying to create a website is that I don't know about coding. It's really hard and tough for me to learn how to start a website or design a website from scratch. And I have searched for a lot of ways to make a website without putting any kind of coding, but couldn't find it. I have tried the WordPress. It's a little bit good somehow, but the problem is that you need to have some tutorials on how to add plugins, how to add codes, remove codes, etc. How to add themes. It needs a lot of tutorials that you should be learning about, and it could be costing so much to create the website you're looking for. For Wix and Weebly, I have tried it, but the problem is that you sometimes don't need to pay for your subscription for Weebly or Wix because you need something that will be a landing page, but you're not looking to make it without a watermark. And that's a problem of Wix and Weebly. And there is a specific templates only you should customize on these pages. So I have searched for a lot of programs or websites that let me able to do this job easily. And finally, I found software that could help me out through my laptop. Within a couple of hours, I'll be able to create a website and just will be uploading it to the internet, and that's it. So, in this course, we'll be covering 4 sessions. Uh, the first session we will be having is the introduction, and there's some notes that we should put into consideration before getting to work. First, we need to determine the designs that could fit with our logo, from the colors, from the fonts, etc. Uh, to be having like an eye contrast scheme for checking the website. If I'm being a user and I'm gonna get into your website, I must have like feel comfortable scrolling down with your website. I don't have to be, oh my god, what an awful website to open. I'm not gonna open this website again. Secondly, put into consideration that understanding your needs, what you're looking for making this website. You're looking to promote your business. You're looking to have some actions to be done, like you're offering a product, offering a service that you would like the users to be getting into it and buy your service or taking a certain action. Or, for example, if you're being affiliate marketing field and you're looking to promote a product or a service, and you would like the users to be getting sign up through this product or service, you must be able to understand your needs about the website you will be designing. And third note you should really care about that you must make a good style for showing your content. Like if you're starting a blog, you're making a blog. There will not be a full website, only a blog for sharing your posts about a certain topic you're covering. you should make it in a style that to be appearing like a blog. And if you are going to make it for promoting a business, you must showing it in a way that you will be showing a business. The fourth note you should be also take care about that you need to have some content which is a good friend for sale. Google search actually depends on different schemes to be ranking your website. I will make it try it simple for you without any kind of technical explanation. And this scheme actually will rank your website on the first page of Google depending on the content you're offering and for the design of the website, etc. The software you'll be using actually covers the design part from the technical part for Google. And what I mean for the content, that the content you're writing through your website. For the blog, you should be considering you'll be writing about the topic or this niche you're having for your website. If you're writing about travel, you must try to consider your content for the travel. Don't relate any other contents, etc. Finally, for your social presence, that you'll be which channels you'll be using for promoting your website: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Whatever the platform you will be promoting your website, you must know your social presence and how much expected revenue you will be getting from your promotion. I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay tuned for the next session.